Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can show assistant menu as edge icon on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have activated my assistant menu and I'm going to make it as assistant menu as edge icon on my Samsung Galaxy phone. So first of all guys, we can go to our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the accessibility setting. This one. Click on this accessibility setting, and here you need to select the interaction and dexterity. Okay, and here we can click on the assistant menu and we can click on the show as edge icon to make this assistant menu as edge icon on our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and as you can see that my assistant menu has become the edge icon. So this is the assistant menu. If you want to use the assistant menu, you just need to click on it. Then you can get quick access to some features right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can show our assistant menu as edge icon on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.